morning vlog. It's me, Allie. I am so excited because we are doing a welcome to Rockville vlog. We're here. Going down into the Daytona speedway. If you don't know what Rockville is, this is my Coachella, okay? I was raised on dad rock because my dad loves music. He would always play his tunes. Give you a little outline. The headliners of this festival are Shinedown, Linkin Park, Korn, and Green Day.
I know Green Day was beefing with Charlie, but they're eating. Welcome to paradise.
That is very much the vibes. Low-key going completely out of order because I've already had 2 days of this festival. All of my nails broke off in the pit.
I was like, no, I finna be in the pit.
Girl, you know me. These were $80 nails. I dropped down in the pit while there was people crowd surfing above me, and I picked up my fucking nails. Anyways, the past 2 days I saw the Pretty Reckless, which I fucking love Taylor Momsen. She's literally like a style icon, so I was gagging. 3 Days Grace, which obviously I love. 3 Days Grace. I had to get these nails made from the 1X album cover. Then yesterday was Bush and Sublime. As well as Everclear and Bowling for Soup. I crowd surfed during Bowling for Soup 1985. It was fucking amazing. Bush is like actually my favorite band, like one of my favorite bands. So I was so fucking excited for Bush. My bestie in Florida, Daniel, he also loves Bush with me. Like we got into them together. So we saw them together. It was fucking perfect, except I decided to wear these Naked Wolf shoes because I'll tell you my thought process here. They are my most comfortable shoes that give me a lot of height. And I'm short, I'm 5'3". I want to be able to see in the crowd. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna wear these this year. I rolled my ankles so fucking bad running around the pit.
I was gonna be in the pit.
I was feeling the music too hard and I wanted to run in the circle pit and like fuck around with the guys. But obviously they're muscle guys and they pushed me a little bit too hard and I fell and rolled my ankle, but I can't even complain because I'm the one that decided to go in the circle pit. We are about to conquer day 3 with a broken ass ankle. It's not actually broken, but it's so fucking swollen. Let me show you. What the fuck? What the fuck? It hurts so bad. It hurts so bad. I've never like broken or sprained anything in my life. So this is actually fucking crazy. And I'm kind of pissed because Pierce the Veil is today and I really wanted to crowd surf during Pierce the Veil. I might still do it. But yeah, Pierce the Veil is today and Linkin Park is today as well. You can literally hear my voice being gone almost from all the screaming. Bitch, I'm getting my life. This is the shirt I'm wearing today for Linkin Park. If you know, you know. If you don't know, basically the old singer of Linkin Park, Chester Bennington, he has passed away. He committed suicide, which always makes me so sad because Linkin Park is one of those bands that like has helped millions of emo kids out of like sewer, you know? So anyways, the shirt says Chester Bennington, legends never die, because now Linkin Park has a new vocalist and she's a girl. So I had to cheer for that, but also nobody could ever replace Chester. So I'm excited to see them today though. The reason I didn't vlog for the past 2 days was because I was also working. I fucking love my job now, and I don't ever want them to think that I'm like slacking or that I don't care. So I've really been trying to like do both. But now it's the weekend, so I don't have to fucking worry about that. You're about to go crazy. I can't see. I have been waiting to see Pierceville for so long. Most of the bands that are here are like bands that I would listen to because of my dad. But Pierceville is the one that is mine. It's still gonna be good, but I can't run in no circle pit. No, not today.
You guys aren't hard, you're soft as fuck!
That's you, softie. It's so fucking hot, and I really fucked up my ankle. It doesn't hurt when a band I like comes on though, but when I'm just hanging out, ooh, bitch, it hurts. Sleep Theory was literally so good. I don't know if you guys have heard of them, but they play them on Sirius XM Octane Dad Rock Radio. The fit today is my Blondita Skort, which literally keeps flying up. Brandy Melville top from the clothing swap. I think it was Simona's, so shout out to you, Simona Cruiser. Also, once again, wearing the Naked Wolves. So I'm insane, but like it gives me height enough to see the actual concert. That is so fucking beautiful during sunset time. I can't remember if I mentioned, but again, we're literally inside the Daytona Speedway. We have the Ferris wheel here. Park. Oh my god, you can see how sunburned I am. I'm so excited. Pierceville was so good. They brought out Kellen Quinn for King for a Day. I was like, oh my god. I left the pit because I got so close, and then I was like, let me just get out of here before I get too hot. It was like so many people crowd surfing, and everybody in the pit was like girls, so we literally couldn't hold everybody up. I was like, let me get out of here. But I was thinking about it, and Rockville is really the only place that you can crowd surf, because every single venue I've ever been inside, they're like strict as fuck. Here they literally just let people do it. We have made it to the last day. I'm so sad it's over. Oh my god. Corn is tonight, and I literally cannot wait. Guys, I literally can't hear anything. Like, I'm deaf. Well, it's over. This is me post Rockville, sore ass throat. I'm deaf. I broke my ankle. I sweat through all my clothes. I laughed. I cried. I got the chills. It was great. And I just crowd surfed to Corn. Saying goodbye to the beautiful palm trees in Daytona, Florida. You can barely see, but it's the little things, man. I miss it here.